Hello and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Hafizh Aiman bin Muhammad Hatta and my matrix number is 202075535. Now, our group will explain about Higgs field and Higgs boson. All my group members, which is Shobana and Vignesh. These key elements that contain in our presentation, which is introduction, how does it work, implication of Higgs boson and Higgs field, and also application in our daily life. So I will explain about the introduction of Higgs boson and Higgs field. What is Higgs field actually? Higgs field actually is a quantum field that is supposed to be responsible for giving particles their masses. This field would answer the basic question of why particles have the masses they do or indeed. So Higgs field is actually some particles of quantum field that contain mass at all. Next, for the Higgs boson is actually a quantum field have fundamental particles that associated with the Higgs field. It is called Higgs boson. So next, how does Higgs boson and Higgs field occur or their mechanism? So from the YouTube, the view is too long, but since I don't have enough time, so I will summarize about Higgs field and Higgs boson from the video that I watched. So from the Higgs field is a particle that give mass like quark and lepton. Some particles don't interact with the Higgs field like photons are called massless. That is not that massive particles interact more with the Higgs field. All particles are equal, which is zero mass when it interact with the crowd that causes them to gain mass. Mass comes from the interaction with a field. A particle gets more or less mass depending on how it interacts with the field. Just like different people will move through the crowd places at different speeds. This boson just a clump in the field. So for the Higgs boson, this boson is actually about object that we can summarize. Object in the word consists of matter, and all matter is made up of atoms. As we know, atoms are made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons, and those particles are made of even smaller subatomic particles such as quarks. The Higgs field comes in it. It is a field of energy that exists throughout all of space, and it is composed the Higgs boson. All subatomic particles pass through and interact with the Higgs field. Some of particles like photons whiz through and barely interact with it, resulting in very small mass. Other particles like quarks drag through and interact with the field a lot, which results in a larger mass. And this Higgs boson will occur. So that's all from me, and I will pass to my next presenter to explain further about our topic. Thank you.